Now my goal is to run a number of test cases from this group. For example, I want to be able to quickly launch all book management test cases, and I have like a couple here. I may have more, so I'm going to create a handy way for that. I'm creating a test case and going to call it full book management. It's RL. So it's here full book management, and my goal is to run all other test cases right here. I used exclamation mark just to have it the first, so these additional test cases like template and like this internal executor, I don't want to make it a part of my test sets, but I want to be able to quickly find them and separate them from others. Again, I'm here, I have this book management, I'm going to implement it. It's very simple, I'm just dragging it right here and pasting. So I just did drag and drop, and what I have is that my test case gets referred by RVL duplicate test, and it gets referred by full path. Now let me do exactly the same with Shift K pressed. So I'm pressing the Shift K and drag and dropping. And you see, instead of the full path, it just uses this name, the name of the test case. The trick here is, if my test cases are named in unique manner, so every test case has unique name, uh, then it's recommended to use this shift and just refer them by name, like I just did. If you prefer shorter names, for example, you have create here for author management called just create, and you have create here, then the test case name just create, and then just using it by short name would be confusing. But in my case, all test cases have unique names, and it's quite a common scenario as I see from experience. So I'm using this shift drag. So it would just execute create new book and then edit existing book. And I'm going to remove this because I don't need it. And that's it. So whenever I want to quickly play all these test cases, I just play this full test case right here. Just play on this, click on this green button, and I will have everything executed. I may also have like full, just chained or nested style of full execution. Just have full here, and in very similar manner, the root label full execution would include this test case, full book management, and also this test case, full author management. It's not a replacement of test execution for nightly runs or for something that supposed to have history. Uh, in these cases, you're supposed to use Spiro dashboard. But for quick execution, where you need to play some modules or group of modules, that appears to be a handy solution for batch executing your test cases.